box. We need to find out how many boxes he needs. So now I'm going to divide that out. I'm going to put it on my next paper. I thought I had some extra graph paper, so now I'm going to do it on notebook paper. So I have 250 divided by 24. I'm going to switch off. 250 is my dividend divided by 24. My multiplication, how many groups of 24 can go into 2? 0. 0 times 24 equals 0. Subtract that out. 2 minus 0 is 2. Bring down my 5. And then bring this. 24 can go into 25 one time. 1 times 24 equals 24. And 5 minus 4 equals 1. Now I'm going to bring down my 0. Look at that. All right, so 24 cannot go into 10. Because 0 times. So I'm going to have a remainder of, and if I wanted to follow through that, I can hear people like, well, you're supposed to subtract out. There you go. I have a remainder of 10. So then we're talking about how many boxes does he need. So let's go back over here. If he needs to get this, his answer is he has to have, the answer is 10 groups or boxes of 24. That's what he has there with, and then he had 10 remaining. So how many boxes does he need to have? He'll still have 10 more that he needs. So he needs to buy 11 boxes to complete his project. That's that one. What do I do with my remainder? Here we're going to use it because if he only got 10 boxes, that's 240. He needs 10 more. Well, now he'll have to buy 11. He can have some left over. He just can't be short on it. All right, flip the page. We're looking at number 17, 19, and 21, and we are almost done. So, Kai has 1,342 marbles in his collection. That's a lot of marbles. Oops, there I am. How many bags does he need if he's going to put 42 marbles in each bag and have one with fewer marbles? Okay, so what is he going to do? He has a total of 1,342 marbles. We need to know how many bags, how many groups he needs. There's going to be 42 in each. So now we need to find out how many groups or bags does he have if each bag is going to have 42. So if you're having a hard time visualizing, let's see, put a bag. This is 42. 42, etc., right, etc., etc., because I'm not going to draw those all out. That's crazy. So I'm going to move it over here and do my division problem. So my next page, 1,342 divided by 42. And again, you can do standard algorithm or you can do the area model. 42 can't go into 1, so it's 0. 1, bring down my 3. 42 cannot go into 3, that's 0. Subtract that out. Now I'm bringing down my 4. How many groups of 42 can get close to 134? So 42 times, let's do 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, can I put another group of 42 in there? That's going to be way too big, so it's going to be 3. And this is 126. I subtract that out. That makes it 2. 14 minus 6 equals 8. Bring down my 2. So 42 times 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 4 is 16. Oops, what am I doing? I'm getting too big. I need to get smaller. So 42 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8, 84. That's way too big, so it's only going to be one more bag. So I'm going to have some left over. I have 40. Oops, sorry about that. There we go. So it was only one more bag of 42, so I took the difference. So this is what's remaining. So how many bags would I need? This is that there's 31 bags of 42 with 40 marbles left over. How many more bags do I need? Yeah, I have to have one more. So how many total bags will I need? I need to have 32 more. I need to have a total 32. Okay? Oops, sorry about that. There we go. So I need to have 31, then each will have 42, and then I'll have one bag that has 40. So there's going to be a total of 32 bags. Let's look at number 19. Mr. Amos has a bill of $1,220 to pay. He will make 21 equal payments. How much will each payment be? All right. So maybe he made a big purchase of a big screen TV or something. So he has $1,260 divided by, it's going to make 21 payments. Well, how many months are in a year? Yeah, 12. So is this going to be more than 2 years or less than 2 years? Absolutely right. It's less than, because if 12 months are in 1 year, then 2 years will have 24 months. So he'll actually pay this off in less than 2 years. All right, so let's look at this one. 21, and I'm going to be doing so I'm going to place my 1, my 2, my 6, add another column, and my 0, my multiplication. 21 cannot, so I have 0, add another, there we go. Subtract that out, that's 1. Bring my 1 over here. Still too small. 0 times 21 is 0, subtract it out, and I have 12. So I'm going to bring this up, 126. How many groups of 21 can go into 126? So it's 21 times, let's do 3. That's 3, 6, 3. Guys, I'm trying to hurry because I see that you're almost done with specials. All right, I can still keep going. So let's do 21 times 6. So that's 6. 2 times 6 is 12. So that's what it would be. And it's 126. And then 0, bring that up. And that'll be 0 minus 0 is 0. So how many payments? Each payment will then be what? $60. So each payment will be $60. And that's where it's at. And I'm going to come over here and I'm going to circle B for 60. Alright, my final problem. Multi-step. The principal is arranging school buses for the spring field trip. There will be 109 students and 17 adults going to the trip. Each bus holds 54 people. So how many buses will the groups need? Now we have to do this every time, except for we don't carry the parents on there anymore. We used to, but not anymore. So now I have 109 students. How many parents? 17 adults. How many students on each bus? I have 54 students on each bus. So that's how many are going to go in each bus. I need to find out how many buses, how many groups. So I need to add up people. 9 plus 7 is 16. 1 plus 1 is 2. And 1. So it's going to be 126 people going. So that's my total amount, which is going to be my, that's right, my dividend, 126. 54 students can go on there, so I need to find out how many groups or how many buses I need. My multiplication sign, 54 cannot go into 1. 1 times 54 equals 0. Bring down my 1, bring down my 2. Okay, so 54 cannot go into 12. That's 0, 0. I bring down my 1, my 2, bring down my 6. With me so far? All right, now, how many groups of 54 can go into 126? Let's do 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. Could we put another group of 54? I don't think so. So we have 108. I subtract out. This is 1. 16 minus 8 is 8. And 1. Well, I have 18 students left over. What are we going to do with these 18 students that are left? Do they say, sorry, you can't go, and order only 2 buses? Nope, you're absolutely right. We need to order 3 buses so everybody can go. Okay? Okay. So I need to order... Yeah, I thought I did that. You see what I did? I put in an extra S. It's B. It's like, that doesn't look right. B-U-S-E-S. Got carried away with the S's. All right. So we're going to order 3 buses. 2 buses will have 54 students, and 1 bus will have 18. And that's it for tonight. All right. It was a pleasure. I will see you tomorrow. Have a great night. Stop by if you have any questions. Remember to do the area model for division strategy or the standard algorithm. Master division. That's our goal. See y'all later. Bye.